Youth marks different ways according to various cultural perspectives and carries the level of dependency. Youth is a lifetime experience that may shape an individual. The youths have a much more important role in nation building than you might think. Swami Vivekananda is one of the greatest Hindu monks that India has ever seen, who had a great influence on the freedom struggle as well as on the freedom fighters. He is not only a spiritual leader that India always boasts of, but also a great freedom fighter, which one can understand only if they know and study him deeply. His teaching, his contribution to India and the world, he made an everlasting impact on the world culture and religion through his groundbreaking speech. His preaching invoked the virtue of humanity and sympathy to the people generation wise. Swamiji was a patriot, one who preached about the national consciousness lying dormant in each Indian's mankind. Swamiji was the greatest of all to invoke nationalism among the Indians when it was absolutely necessary. His teachings always focus on development of people through education and wisdom, and that is the reason they are so essential for the youth. It was Swamiji only who first made the people of India understand their rich culture and the religious heritage. The sense of pride about the rich heritage and how to protect the heritage from enemies. The sense of protecting their country actually invoked the sense of nationalism among them. The British government described him as a tough politician who took cover in saffron robes. Swami Vivekananda has ignited many youngers' mind during freedom struggles. We should all take inspiration from the extraordinary life led by Swami Vivekananda and do our part in contributing towards the betterment of mankind.
साथ अगर है तो काफी है हम, निर्भर है खुद पे हम, रखते हैं दम, छोड़ेंगे ना बापू कभी तेरा रास्ता। इस मिट्टी से ही पैदा हुए, इस मिट्टी में दे देंगे जान।